In this video, we're going to customize Firefox to give it a fresh new look. We'll set a custom wallpaper, adjust the search background to match the theme, and clear out all the clutter for a super minimal aesthetic. Let's dive in. When you open Firefox, the homepage is packed with extras like news feeds, shortcuts, and a search bar. Click the Customize button in the corner. First, turn off recommended stories to hide the news feed. Of course, this comes down to personal preference, so keep whatever works for you. Next, I'll turn off shortcuts, since I usually type out URLs anyway. That leaves us with just the search bar and the Firefox logo. You might notice that typing into the Firefox search widget just redirects you to the address bar at the top. Unlike Google Chrome, it doesn't let you type directly inside the box. So let's remove it completely. Click Customize, then select Manage More Settings. Make sure you're in the Home and Startup menu. Scroll down, then turn off both the search bar and the Firefox logo. Now we're left with a clean, empty screen. Click the Customize icon one more time. To add a custom background, just click Add an Image and pick any wallpaper you like. For this video, I'm going to choose one of Firefox's default wallpapers. I'll go with this one. I think it looks really cool. Now let's match the top bar color with our new wallpaper. Click the main menu icon, the three lines in the top right, and head into Extensions and Themes. We need a color scheme that blends in smoothly. In the search bar, type a keyword that fits your wallpaper. Since my background is dark purple, I'll search for dark purple. You might not find the exact match on your first try, so don't be afraid to test out a few different ones. I'm going to grab this dark purple theme right here. Click Install Theme, hit Add again, and it applies instantly. Now our top bar and side menus match the wallpaper perfectly. But let's take it one step further. Right now, when you search for something, the background of the search results doesn't fit the rest of our theme. Let's fix that. Since Google doesn't let you customize its background color easily, we'll switch our default search engine to DuckDuckGo. Open the Settings menu and head over to the Search tab. Under Default Search Engine, select DuckDuckGo. Now go back and type in any quick search to bring up a results page. Here in the DuckDuckGo search page, click the small gear icon below the search bar. Pick either the dark or light preset based on the theme you're building. If you're setting up a dark browser, select Dark here first. This ensures all the text, icons, and menus adjust automatically so nothing looks broken or hard to read. Next, click All Search Settings and go to the Appearance tab so we can fine-tune the exact colors. Here, scroll down and find Background Color option. You have two choices here. You can use the built-in color picker to choose a shade or paste in a custom hex code manually. Since I'm on KDE Plasma, I can use the built-in color picker tool. I'll just click on the top bar to grab its exact color, which automatically copies the hex code to my clipboard. Then, I'll paste that code right here, and everything matches instantly. Now, scroll down and find Header Color field. Enter that same hex code next to the header color. Scroll to the bottom and click Save and Exit. The background now matches the rest of our theme, but this card here still sticks out. To fix this, we'll match it with the search widget, using a slightly darker shade for a better overall aesthetic. Using our color picker again, grab that darker color straight from the search widget. Now open the DuckDuckGo settings and head back to the Appearance tab. Scroll down to Hover, Module, and drop down Background Color option, and paste that new hex code into the field, and then scroll to bottom, save, and exit once more. Everything on the search page blends together nicely now. I know purple might not be for everyone, but you can follow these exact same steps to create whatever color setup you prefer. Hopefully, this inspires you to build your own custom setup. Let me know in the comments what color scheme you went with. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.